faculty resource webpage, and I'm going to click on the link up here, WIDS Login, to take me into the WIDS software. Your username and password will be the same as they are for any other Western account that you would have. Sometimes this takes a little while to get into the WIDS software, so don't think that you've done anything wrong. It's just, it's such a powerful database that it takes a little bit of time to get in there. So we'll be waiting for that to bring us in. All right, so this is where you're going to come in and you're going to see My Curriculum Projects. Now, if you don't see a course that you're teaching on here, that doesn't mean that you're not able to generate a syllabus from it. Basically, what you have to do is go down here and type in the course that you would want to create a syllabus for, if you don't see it here. So I'm just going to go in and put in a syllabus for the course. I'm going to hit this. So I typed in the 10-digit number, or you could put in the course name. Then I'm going to hit search. And then that's going to bring that course up for me. And when you come into the WIDS software, you come into this tab, Course Outcome Summary. That's not where you want to be for your syllabus. You want to click over on this My Syllabi tab. And once you're in there, then you need to click on the Edit button. And you can always check to see if there's another syllabus that's been created by someone by hitting the Copy button. And if you've never been in the course before, you're going to get this little box that says Instructor Self Sign Up. All you need to do is just click there and it'll add you. And then as you can see here, there are a couple syllabi in there, so we're going to copy one that's already in there, because then we won't have to redo the guidelines. And we're going to click on that, hit Save, and then we're going to change the name of it. Make sure we hit Save to Spring 2017. And we need to go over to the section information and make our changes there. This is very important. If you don't make this change, these start and end dates will remain the same as the course that was in there. So we know this is a spring course, so let's go out and grab 2017, January. Whoops, went too far. We'll just say courses are starting on 1/9/17, and this one's going to end on March 31st. We're going to leave the meeting times the same. We're going to change the meeting location. If you're adjunct, you could just say virtual. And I always like to hit Save just so I don't lose it. Then you're going to come over to the next tab on Instructor Information. Your name and your email will automatically be loaded in there. It's just not in there yet. That is something that goes through the active server. And we'll just put office location across campus. And I'm going to put in my office phone number. I usually don't give out my mobile phone number unless it's for very special purposes. And I'm going to leave the office hours the same because they're going to be that's what I'll use. I'll hit Save. And now pretty much our syllabus is done. The required college information is already pre-populated, so you don't have to do anything with that. That would include your ADA compliance, attendance, different things like that. You can come over here and double check. I clicked on this blue tab, Course Information. We're going to click on Guidelines. And we're going to see that these are the guidelines that are in here. I'm going to delete that one because you don't need it. So there's a class policy, attendance, blended format, and grading policy. And I'm just going to keep that because that makes sense to me. I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do a quick print just to see what it looks like. Choose it, refresh that report. And if you're going to put your syllabus into the WIDS software as a PDF file, this is where you would export to do it. Your second video here is how to link your syllabus directly into Blackboard from the WIDS software. And that might be an easier route to go, but I will show you how to export it here. You also will be required to submit your syllabus to the division office, and there's a video on that as well. So this is the syllabus that we just created. It has my name, phone number, course information, pre-COREX, and then it also has core abilities, program outcomes, the course competencies, class policies. This is all the guidelines that were in there, attendance policies, and then here are those required college guidelines that I was telling you about. Now, if you need to export this as a PDF, you can click right over here and choose PDF or Word, and then that'll export that particular syllabus for you, and you can go ahead and save it on your hard drive or where you want and attach it in your Blackboard site if you choose not to directly link. Hope this helps.